The stages of tuk-tuk manufacturing. From design to production explained with images. Hello everyone, and welcome to brand new video. Today, we're discussing something you see on the streets every day, the tuk-tuk. We'll be taking a deep dive into the stages of tuk-tuk manufacturing, right from the design stage all the way to when it hits the roads. You're about to discover some fascinating details that you might not have known before. So, stay tuned and let's walk through each stage step by step. Design. The journey begins with the designers in their offices, working meticulously on the initial sketches and engineering plans. Here, the first shapes of the tuk-tuk are drawn up, both the exterior and interior. Every small detail is carefully considered, from the dimensions and structure to the materials that will be used in manufacturing. Designers ensure that the tuk-tuk is both fuel-efficient and comfortable for the driver and passengers alike. At this point, we'll show an image of the initial tuk-tuk design sketches. Choosing materials ****. Once the design has been finalized, the next step is selecting the materials for production. The body of the tuk-tuk is typically made from lightweight metals like aluminum or steel, providing both strength and reducing the overall weight. Additionally, specific types of durable plastics are chosen for the interior, parts to withstand daily wear and tear. Here, we'll display images of the materials used in manufacturing. Manufacturing and assembly ****. After selecting the materials, we move on to manufacturing the various parts of the tuk-tuk. The exterior body is shaped using large machines that cut and weld the metals according to the design specifications. Following this, the engine, wheels, and interior parts like the seats and steering wheel are assembled. This entire process takes place on specialized production lines, with each stage building upon the previous one. At this point, we'll show him